Good evening. We're having a look at AMC's price action today because it really has been a fantastic day for AMC when it comes to the price action. You guys already know we have earnings coming out at 5 PM EST, I believe it is, so really not too long to go, and again, people are expecting big things for earnings. We've talked about earnings twice in the past 2 days, so I'm not going over it in this video. What I want to cover is the price action because we're up by 8.23%, touching 45. Now, it was looking quite unlikely that we were going to close above 45, but by some miracle we have done it, and things are primed perfectly for going forwards into tomorrow. So as always, I am not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, do your own research, but if you like the sound of this video, make sure to like it and subscribe because we're going to be talking about this stock every single day. Now on top of that, we're doing a fundraiser for Save the Children, so if you can donate, please do. But now we're going to jump into it and have a look at AMC on the 1-day chart and just have a look at what we've seen. So the first thing that I'm going to do is remove these Bollinger Bands, so now we can see the picture a bit more clearly. Things on the 1 day are looking tremendously well. You will see over here we had difficulty breaking above this line, and this line is 45. So this little line that you can see over here is the $45 mark. Yes, we have been above it at some points in the day for sure, touching almost 46 even up here, but you'll see it ran up to 45 here, bounced back down, went up, went above 45, fair enough, came up to nearly 46, bounced well back down to the 44 range, then coming back up to about the high 44s, I would say, stabilizing in that range, mid to high 44s, then up here again, touching 45. Can we break through it? No, we can't. But now we have closed just above it. We're not above it by a massive amount, we're only above it by 13 cents, don't get me wrong, but it is another win. And I think today for AMC has been a win overall. It shows once again, and we all know it anyway, but just reinstates that belief that the buying pressure is still there with AMC. Now, I understand that some apes, especially the newer ones, are going to be a bit reluctant when it comes to this stock. They're going to believe everything that the media tells them. I'm sure most people do not believe that anymore, but I know that some people certainly do. I think this is a strength. It shows our strength because we are still moving up despite everything that's happening. They cannot keep this one down anymore. Apes come in, buying pressure comes in. Let's have a look at our volume figure for today. It's relatively high. Yes, we have been higher in the past month for sure back here, but of course we are coming up by 65 million. We're on 65 million in volume today, which is nice. This is compared to yesterday's figure of 39 million, for example. So volume is still fairly okay. And bear in mind, this is only the volume that we can see. Again, if we start talking about manipulation, things change, but I'm just talking about the figures that we have from Yahoo Finance. So things are looking good on the charts. We broke past that 45 range, so that is a really good finish to the day. Now into after hours so far, we are down by 0.7%. Now, does this matter at all? Of course it doesn't. Earnings are not out yet, so that is what we're going to be waiting for in the next hour or two. Now, whether I make a video on that tonight or earlier in tomorrow is going to depend on a couple of factors, but at some point in the next day or two, I'm going to be making you guys a video on that, so do make sure to join us for that. But what I'm trying to say is, a massive win for AMC today. Now we're looking to break past 50, because 50 has been a key level that we've had difficulty with in the past. Look out to the past 3 months or the past 6 months, you'll see we're bouncing to the lows at 30, to the highs at 50, perhaps even this $51, $52 mark, but really, break past 50, consolidate above 50, and we're in a great position. Get it above 52, even better. And again, 55 and beyond, we are looking for another push. So earnings themselves are going to be a big catalyst. If that sends a price rocketing, I think it will not trigger the squeeze by itself, but it could trigger a run. Now, a run definitely could potentially, and bear in mind, I must stress every single time I say it, this is all pure speculation, but a run could potentially cause some pressure upon the hedge funds and the shorts, and that definitely could lead to margin calls, which could be a really big thing. It's all heating up, guys, and yes, earnings, I know people always say, oh, earnings don't mean too much for this company. Earnings are what retail makes them. Retail controls the stock, and if retail are hyped for earnings, earnings are a big deal. As always, remember, you have the power. Thank you for watching this video though. Now I'm going to tell you all about our Discord server. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.